In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language setting in Zendesk. Whether you're working in a diverse team or simply prefer using Zendesk in a different language, customizing your language settings can make a huge difference in your overall experience. Let's walk through the process step by step, ensuring you're comfortable and confident in adjusting these preferences. To get started, you'll want to look towards the upper right corner of either your support or guide interface within Zendesk. Here, you'll find your profile avatar. Clicking on this avatar is your entry point to accessing your profile settings. Now, some users might notice slight variations across different dashboards, but rest assured the process remains consistent. Next, after clicking your avatar, a drop-down menu appears. You'll want to select the option labeled View Profile, or in some instances, it might be displayed as My Profile. By clicking here, you're taking the essential step in opening your personal settings where you can make the changes you need. Within your profile settings, look around for the section dedicated to language preferences. This is the area where you have the opportunity to fine-tune your language settings, tailoring them to your personal liking. You'll see a drop-down list under the language category. Click this drop-down, and you'll be met with a selection of available languages. Take your time to scroll through the list and choose the language that best suits your needs or preferences. Once you've made your selection, remember that the work isn't quite done yet. It's crucial to save these changes. Look for a Save button or a similar option within the profile settings. Clicking this will ensure that your new language preference is securely locked in. Now, to make sure everything is updated correctly, it's best practice to refresh your page. This step guarantees that the new language settings are properly applied throughout your Zendesk experience. With this refresh, you should see the interface realign with your chosen language, making your navigation seamless and intuitive. It's important to note that the language setting you've adjusted applies solely to your profile and does not affect the default account settings viewed by others. This means you have control over your personal language preferences without impacting the broader team or company settings. And there you have it, a tailored language setting in your Zendesk profile ready to enhance your efficiency and comfort. I trust this guide has been helpful and that you're now equipped to make Zendesk work even better for you. If you've found this video useful, feel free to explore more of our content for other handy tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and until next time, enjoy your newly customized language setting.